Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Elda. Welcome to my channel. For today's look, we're gonna be creating this look right here. I'm inspired for Valentine's, you know, dramatic. I'm in love with this look. It is really cute. I might not wear this for Valentine's Day, but it's still cute though. Still cute. In today's video, I actually did use the Huda Beauty palette and it is gorgeous. I loved all the colors. I love the color range in this palette. It was so beautiful. They were super pigmented. Yes. Sorry guys. My eyes started getting watery, so my inner corners started to grayed out. So I've been having to fix them throughout the video. You'll probably see. But it's a really beautiful palette. I loved it. I will continue to use it. And I did create this look using that palette. And I'm in love. I am totally in love. My lash is falling off, right? Yes. I poked my nose with the tweezers ahorita. You'll see throughout the video that I've been having to retouch my face a lot. I poked my nose with the tweezers and it started bleeding. So yes. But I still did enjoy this video. I still did enjoy this look. So I'm going to post it. No se rían de mí. Yes. My lashes are just hopping off. Enough chit-chatting, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. And before I let you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and yeah, just keep on watching. Using the Kylie Jenner concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye. We're gonna go ahead and start with the right eye. We're gonna go ahead and dip into Teddy using the Kylie Jenner brush. It came with one of her palettes. I can't remember which one. I'm sorry. We're gonna go ahead and use Teddy as our transition color. We're gonna put it on the outer V and our crease. We're gonna build up the color. Oh, whoa! She's pigmented. Whoa, she pigmented. We're gonna go ahead and use a bigger fluffy brush just to blend it out because I didn't think she was gonna be that pigmented. We're just adding color and then blending. Now we're gonna go ahead and dip into Tickle. Using a Morphe brush, the R30 I believe, or R80, it looks like this. The numbers faded away, I'm sorry. And we're just focusing that color on the outer V. I forgot to tell you. Just basically what we did with the other color, but to darken it up a little bit more. We're gonna go ahead and dip into Raw. And we're gonna focus this color mainly on the outer V. I'm not grabbing any product. I'm just bringing whatever's left to the crease. Go ahead and grab that brush and just go ahead and blend all these colors together. I'm going to go ahead and dip into Love Bite, that purple shade. And just a little bit because remember they are very pigmented. Just focusing on the outer V. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this palette. I didn't want to, but I need a black eyeshadow to darken this up a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the black. If you have any black shadow, it will work. So unfortunately this palette is very beautiful but doesn't have black eyeshadow, and I kind of need one. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the black eyeshadow using a Morphe brush M433 and just tap it off because this is much. We don't want a lot. We're gonna focus the black eyeshadow only on the outer V, and then we might bring it into the crease. I'm not sure yet. You'll see. But main focus is on the outer V, and just circle motions Don't bring it too far up. Just keep it close to your lash line. Something like that. We're gonna go ahead and dip back into Love Bite. Focusing just on the outer V, remember. Close to your lash line, and then the middle, and then where your crease starts. And then you stop by E, come back down, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip back into Tickle. Was it this brush that I used? I don't know. It looks like it. We're gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the Tickle eyeshadow to the transition color because I feel like we lost it with all this blending. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Daydream. We're gonna start off with Daydream, and then we might add another color. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it like that. I'm gonna come back. I promise you guys I didn't do it in the last video, but I will come back. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then I won't do anything to my eyes until I go ahead and blend this out and do the rest of the eyes. I promise you. Es que soy bien olvidadiza. Todo se me olvida. But I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back to the eyes. I have not done anything. I have not blended out the shimmers, so I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and blend out the shimmer and the outer V's. We're gonna go ahead and blend our eyes, okay guys? That's what I'm trying to say. Bad at explaining. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Love Bite using a small precise pencil from the Jaclyn Hill collection, JH39. We're gonna go ahead and just flick in the shimmer, the eyeshadow into the shimmer. You see, this one looks better. This one looks hooked up. Now I'm grabbing a small precise tapered brush like this. Is the JH40. Going into Love Bites, I'm gonna go ahead and darken up my crease a little bit more, and just right above the shimmer to give it a little bit more of a definition. Okay, grabbing that clean brush, we're gonna go ahead and blend out these eyeshadows just to soften up the edges. Now I'm gonna do the same thing, same steps I did for the rest of the video. So I'll be back on my eyes, okay? I promise. We're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a black eyeliner. You can grab any black eyeliner that you have at home. I'm using this one from L'Oreal. We're gonna go ahead and dip into Love Bite. I'm grabbing a flat brush. We're gonna go ahead and color in our waterline. Yeah, waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and use Beige from Morphe. We're gonna use Dollface from Too Faced. Using Flirt from Bare Minerals. So this is the final look. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. And yeah. Stay tuned for more of my videos. Thank you so much for the love and support, and I will see you in my next video.